Hey guys, we're doing 5 minutes on how to create 5 story templates that you can just keep using on repeat because stories are the hardest thing to do. Let's be real on Instagram. Hey, my name's Chloe. I'm from Vibe Check Society. We're a society all about getting systems in place for your social media to make it nice and easy so you can get back to doing what matters in your business. Today, we're going to be using Canva. In your Canva homepage, you're going to see the create design, and we're going to go Instagram story. You can type it in if it doesn't auto come up for you. Now, as a base for these, I'm going to be using our templates. We do sell these templates, but Canva has a whole bunch of free ones that you can use as well. First off, I'm actually going to open up a brand kit that I have that I'm going to be using like as a fake brand for these stories. So you can see here, it's super minimalistic. We've got our brand colors and everything. Definitely recommend doing that first if you haven't. Everyone loves a quote. So I'm going to use a quote here. And we're going to work with this. This is clearly sage green, not nice minimalistic beige vibes. So we're going to change it up. Now, if I click this little color palette up here, and I should say Canva's free if you want to use it. Just an FYI, this membership's free. It is awesome graphic design materials. It actually pulls out all these colors that you can see in my brand kit above, which makes it nice and simple to build these in 5 minutes. And change this font. I've got my fonts here, so I'm going to change it to that one. It's gonna, again, just pop up in most recent used, which is great. Definitely gonna get a bold on this. Then I'm gonna change this color here into a nice neutral. I actually think they look a bit stark next to each other. So I'm gonna change this background a little bit into a lighter. Perfect. Obviously, you're not gonna leave these as keep calm and trust your realtor. You're going to change it for whatever you want to post, but you can, use this once every 2 weeks. No one's going to notice that it's the same. In fact, they're probably just going to appreciate the brand continuity. Next, we're going to add another page. Perfect. Love a good checklist. I'm actually going to use the flagship image. So this one is one that I've uploaded. Perfect. And we're going to change this up. Now, this is a little bit time consuming, but that's okay. Make it that. Cool. Now we're going to go through and change these fonts. Again, all of this is going to have the different text depending on what that you're doing this for. High engagement stories are always good. So we're going to use this template here because it makes people feel like they're involved in the business, in the story. This is a good hack. If you want to build out ones that you can continue to use in advance, you just put a white box and that's where you know your sticker goes. It's also good if you're having someone else like actually upload these every day. If you have a virtual assistant, then they can take this and they know that's where the sticker goes. And you can write what you actually want in your quiz sticker here so they know what to then retype in. It's starting to look quite good. I'm actually going to take out this background and I'm going to steal, if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it, the feed video design for this. So like this, I said like reuse, that's the key, right? The key to save time is just reuse stuff you've already done. There's no need to recreate the wheel, as I like to say. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna steal these lines here, right? Delete that, I don't want that for now. Send to back, perfect. And we knew that there was a box over the top. Let's just make this into our background color, already looking way more elegant. There we go. I actually almost like this as well. I think we can work with this, right? And again, don't be afraid to reuse. It's the easier way to do things. Why make life hard? Take that off. And I'm gonna move these up. Move this back down, new vlog. And I'm gonna add a little swipe up. Change the font, of course, as always. You can drop in a video here. I would drop in a video, which is like a little sneak peek. Okay, now we've got our final one that we're gonna build out. Gonna go back, like always, you get the idea, back to our designs and pick out something. What we're gonna do now is, without a doubt, the most engaging thing, and it's a poll. People love a poll because it's simple to answer. Again, I'm gonna move this into the side. And I think just for continuity, like I'd want to do a white frame or some sort of frame around them because I think that would make it look a bit more together. Send to back. change it to be a darker color. That's cute, but we want to make it line up into the corner. So if that happens to you and you can't get it quite in the right line, use the arrows on your keyboard. That's going to get you to the right spot. Thanks for making it to the end. We're super excited to share this with you. If you like this or found any value in it, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ideas, or want to request a video, feel free to comment them below. And as always, please feel free to slide into our DMs on Instagram. You can find them below, and we'd love to chat. Have a good day, guys.